to say. I'm not saying you should not go on strike. Go on strike when it's a general strike that affects the welfare of workers. But don't go on strike simply because a state that will be owing them pension. When you know you're not being owed pension, that's what I'm trying to make. So I know a young man, yeah, I know that he wants FCT to grow very well. And one day, they will stand where I am. I will miss my friend, I will stand where I am. So we have to work together. But frankly speaking, there's nothing to be hard. Leadership, you come hard when people do not want to follow the process. But if you follow the rules and work accordingly, there's no need. There's no need. Don't, you see, those of us who are politicians, the way we shout on television is not the way we are. Sometimes we do this thing to survive. You know, and you know, when you are coming from opposition, and they wouldn't put down that the hammering on you, then you also need to shout up and down. And that's what has made us survive. And we are surviving very, very well. So don't use that to relate with me. Relate with me as somebody you have to work with. Don't take television and relate with me and say it's too hard. I'm not a hard person, but I'm a stickler of rules. And once we agree on that, we have no problem. But I believe, like I said, we have everything to do to make sure that Abuja gets the best. And I can assure you, I will do all we can to change the face of Abuja. You will see project upon project and completion of